So I just thought I'd do a little update video. This is some new parts I have got for the Celica. As you can read on there, it's new pistons for the front calipers. All the rubbers and seals, which is nice. Brand new piston. A nice new bleed nipple as well. So this should hopefully stop my problem of the actual piston sticking in the caliper, making the actual brakes stay on and heating up the caliper, and you get that horrible burning clutch smell. Yeah, more new rubbers there. The infamous awful clip you have to try and get on. So some grease. Yeah, probably red grease. There's a nipple I said about, and dust cap. Okay, so I've got two of those. There's the part number there, if anybody's interested. This is the 275mm brake kit, which is the, I think it's the 02 and above brakes on the 140, and it's the 190 brakes on all models, I believe, is a 275. They also sent me some more grease. What's that one? Silicone brake grease and hydraulic assembly paste, which is for inside the caliper. I also got, I'll call that in there. So I got two of those, of course, one for each side. And I also got a fitting kit. There's a part number again for the 275mm brakes. And this comes with a little pot of grease. New, very important sliders, because mine are really corroded. So that will help massively with the brake feel and how the brakes actually work. Two new locking bolts with their Loctite already pre-applied, and two more rubbers for the sliders. So I think I've probably got extra rubbers now because I've got them crossed over from each set. Again, I got two of these. I think the whole kit for both sets, including postage from eBay, was about 60 quid. It'll save me money on new calipers. I can get them all almost a brand new, well, there will be brand new specification. I'll paint them all up as well while they're off. So I'll take them all off and do them off on the bench. The fun part is going to be getting the old piston out. That's the only problem that usually I get when I'm refurbing brakes. I did a similar video to this for the Nissan. I refurbed all the brakes, painted all the calipers, etc. It's in my, I think it's in the Nissan playlist. You can go back and have a look at that. So, well, I hope you'll join me for this video. It should be quite a fun one. I'll probably be doing it in the next couple of days or so. So, if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you won't miss the video when I repair the brakes.